Yo guys, and welcome back to the first video on the Broken Low Garage YouTube channel for 2023. I just want to take this moment to wish all of you guys a happy new year, and I hope that you guys had a very good festive. But for now we need to get back into things. I'm sure you guys are wondering where I've been, and to be completely honest, I've just been taking a break from YouTube and basically coming up with new ideas for content for the new year. And I must say, I have a few things planned for you guys. I'm sure that if you guys follow me on Instagram already, you guys will know what is to come. Firstly, I just want to explain that the content that you guys are about to see is footage that was shot last year in 2022, and I never had a chance to really put it together because my initial plan was to scrap the footage because it wasn't complete. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw it in one video. Throw it in one video for you guys, just to get all the content that you guys haven't seen for 2022 yet, and then we're gonna take things from there. So firstly, we bagged my buddy Yusuf's ABF MK1. If you do follow me on Instagram, once again you would know this. And things basically went like this. Guys, as you guys saw, there's a lot happening here today. We are today at Yusuf's house, and as you guys can see, we are busy with the MK1. We've made some progress. We got the car on strut. The car is out now at the moment. We've got Mr. Dims over there working his magic. Sorry now. Lovely. So yeah guys, stay tuned. We're gonna be filming some more. I don't know what I'm gonna film. I haven't been filming much, but I hope you guys enjoy the content. I haven't been uploading. Now upload us.
Kan ons net my bra acknowledge.
Right now we have the car, everything installed. As you guys can see, the car is aired up at the moment. What Yusuf and Fagan is doing, they are just putting the seats back in because we are moving the car over to the HQ, because obviously all my tools are there. But so far it's staying aired up, no leaks. So let's see. So as you guys saw now in the previous video, we put AIRRIDE into Yusuf's ABF MK1, and like I said, the content is very incomplete, but he's been driving the car for more than a month and he's been more than happy. So that is something you guys will see soon also on the channel. And also, we also took a trip to Lala's Tires to go and pick up a set of wheels for a buddy of mine, which you guys will also see here now. Guys, we're here today at the new Lala's workshop, picking up a set of wheels for Austin over here. We're gonna show you guys what we're gonna buy, but you guys will have to wait for that. I didn't film much of the trip here, but I'll show you guys around and yeah, enjoy the trip with us. Nog genoeg.
Precies, happy customer. Ja, nee, nou kan ons weer spin.
Wat donor.
Weer by Jesus now, I'm gonna see a date. Maak is vol. Nou gaan we 'n vierde wand doen.
Ja,
Koppie.
Acknowledge. After a successful day, guys, you saw the wheel now. Let us know in the comments down below what you think, and let me know what you guys think the wheel is gonna go on to. The people that know Austin will obviously know what it's gonna go on, but obviously there's a lot of people that don't know, so I'm curious to know if you guys can figure it out. But let us know what you think of the wheel, and also let me know what you guys think of this purple turtle over here. This is such a nice car, guys. Yeah. Never really been a fan of the purple, but this purple, especially the old spec. I like the new spec, but this, yeah, a dream.
Thanks guys, tune in for the next episode of Broken Logo Garage.
Like, comment, subscribe. Shishi. Bye, Bowens. So yeah guys, that is the end of this video for today. Very short and sweet. Like I said, I wanted to get the content or some of the content out there that I had laying around of last year, and I felt like you guys needed to see this. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We have a lot planned for 2023, and let me just say, I might have bought another car. See you guys in the next one. Stay safe.